Welcome to the NEWSTART kitchen. I'm Margaret Gallant, and today we're making lentil dal with spinach. And we're going to be using one of my favorite kitchen helps. That's the Instapot. I've actually had it on. I turned on the saute button and it's preheated. And we're going to add a little bit of water here. And we're going to put 1/2 onion chopped. And we're going to put 3 cloves of garlic. And we are going to put 2 teaspoons of fresh ginger. Now I just wanted to show you while that's warming up what I do with my fresh ginger. I have this little grater and I have my fresh ginger, and all you do is grate it right there. And it's a great way to use fresh ginger. And ginger is so yummy in all these recipes. All right, so while this is sauteing, let me just stir it a little bit. While this is sauteing, I want to just share with you the rest of the ingredients. So we're going to throw everything in this Instapot and turn it on. So the rest of the ingredients are 1 teaspoon of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of cumin, plus 3 cups of red lentils, which I've already prepared by rinsing, measuring out, and getting ready to go in. All right, so we're just gonna, let this saute just for a few more minutes. And then we're gonna put the seasonings in and let those cook for a little bit. And you know, when you cook the seasonings, oh, it just becomes wonderful and it incorporates so much better. And the Instapot's so nice because it has this saute button, so you can do everything in one pot. All right, so what I'm gonna do now that it's incorporated, I'm going to turn off the saute button and I'm going to add 8 cups of water. There's 4. Here's 4 more. And I'm going to add our lentils. The lentils are kind of stuck because I rinsed them, so they're having a little hard time coming out of the bowl, but they're coming. We're going to get them in this pot. All right, this is just, we want to just throw everything in here and turn it on. Such an easy recipe. Except for these stubborn lentils that are not wanting to come out. All right, here we go. Get those all out in the pot. All right. Now you'll notice, I'm going to stir this in, but you notice I have a cup of spinach, fresh spinach, and I also have our salt, 1 tablespoon of salt. We're actually going to put that in at the very end after it's cooked. The lentils are all stirred in, and now we're going to put this lid on. All right, and what we want to do is make sure the venting button is turned back. And what we want to do is put it on manual and put it for 8 minutes. And in a few minutes, it'll beep and it's going to start building up steam. And we'll be back after it's cooked and we'll add the rest of our ingredients and see how wonderful it is. So I'm going to let the steam release by pushing this forward. So what's happening is it's letting out the steam from the soup, and as soon as it releases, it will unlock. And the nice thing about that is you cannot get in there and get hurt until it releases the steam. So it's a safe thing to use. And as soon as we have the steam released, we can release the lid, and we will be putting in our spinach and our salt. Stir it in, and then we're ready to serve it. All right, the steam's let out, so let's open it up and see this beautiful soup. Oh man, it looks good. All right, so I'm gonna add our salt and the fresh spinach, the lovely fresh spinach. And then we'll stir it in. Oh, it smells so good. Okay. And you might want to let the spinach in a little bit just to wilt, but it looks like it's wilting pretty quick. So let's put some in a bowl so you can see how yummy it looks. Oh, this looks great. What a great meal to have. So nutritious and yummy, and the color is just beautiful. Oh, I'm sure you're looking forward to making this beautiful Dahl. Enjoy!